everyone, welcome to Gauri's World of Experiments. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for more notifications. So let's start. So today we are going to do an experiment. For this experiment, we need battery, LED light and wire. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. We are going to connect the red wire with the positive sign and the black wire with the negative sign. Let's see what happens. Now, I'm going to show you how to light this LED bulb using pencils. Take two pencils which are sharpened at both sides. You know the reason? The reason is that the lead is a good conductor of electricity, so it helps to complete the circuit. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.